Hello, my name is Rosie and this is Rosie's Reviews. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cheesecake stuffed strawberry Santas. The recipe called for 16 ounces of strawberries, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 4 tablespoons of honey or powdered sugar. I use honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I started with the cream cheese. I used the one that they sell at Costco just because you get a better deal, and I was gonna make cheesecake with the other. So I grabbed the 8 ounces of cream cheese and 4 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I mixed that all into a bowl, and I put it all into a Ziploc baggie. It called for piping if you had some, but I used a Ziploc baggie. You just cut the corner and you're able to use that to decorate the Santas. So I grabbed the strawberries. What I did is I grabbed the biggest ones from both packages, and you want to cut it as flat as possible since the Santas are going to be used as base. This is where they're going to be standing. So I cut all of the green off of it. You're also going to be cutting a top third of the strawberry because you're going to fill in the face with it. So you cut the third top of the strawberry, and that's going to be used as the hat. So that's what I'm doing right now. Make sure you do this dessert the day it's gonna be used. Strawberries are very, very fragile, and they will not be any good for the next day. They will be, but they won't be as presentable. So right now, right here, I grabbed the mixture of cheesecake that I made with the honey and the vanilla extract and honey. So I put it all. It was hard to pour out. It was very thick, but it's recommended to use this. People want to use whipped cream, but it is very soft, and it won't work as best as this one. So this one's better. I'm putting in the Santa top, like the top of it, and that's the top of the hat. So I repeat this procedure for all of them, and I put it all in a nice little plate so the Santas can all be facing the same way. You're gonna be adding chocolate chips for the ice later, so you make sure that everything's neat. So here it's my final product. Since I was having this dessert at a different house, I inserted toothpicks throughout all of them. I don't show that here because I didn't do it until it was time to go. I tried doing chocolate chips for the eyes, as I had mentioned before, but it just looked kind of funky in the way they were. I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave the Santas faceless. I mean, people get the idea. They are cheesecake stuffed strawberry Santas. So there's where I tried to put in the chocolate chips, and just the position of them, it just kind of, I didn't really like it. Hope you guys enjoyed it.